to the athletes of the world, to the people of London and the United Kingdom, to the volunteers and the staff of the London 2012 Organising Committee, thank you for an unforgettable summer.
And thank you for inspiring a generation. Good night and goodbye.
At the end of the most exhilarating, life-affirming summer of sport, a night to remember for the rest of our lives.
And the best thing about the Paralympics is that during the Games you're surrounded by excellence. And now it's our job, each and every single one of us, to take a little bit of it home with us and to share it. Because once you give people a taste of this kind of excellence, there's nothing they can do but want to chase after it themselves, whether it's in school or sports or just in life. And when we do that, we give ourselves a chance to live like heroes every single day of our lives.
Well, it made us gasp and think and cry. What will we do now it's over? Claire and Addy, over to you.
Well, one thing we will do is not